Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Mortal Kombat 1 into your PC or laptop. Before we start, don't forget to click the like buttons. Likes are super important for me. Okay, now we can begin our video tutorial. First of all, I will tell you that to get Mortal Kombat 1, you need to have Steam. So first of all, if you don't have a Steam, just go to the Google, type this keyword into search, download Steam, and open the first link. From this link, you can install Steam into your device. Once you will install it, then you need to sign up on Steam. After you will finish doing this, then you can get Mortal Kombat. To get the Mortal Kombat, you need to go to the store, and in the search bar, you need to type Mortal Kombat. And as you can see, the first result is Mortal Kombat 1. So this is the game. You need to click on it, scroll a little bit down, and here the first one is basic version Mortal Kombat 1 and the second one is premium edition, guys. They cost different prices. When you choose your favorite option, then you need to click add to cart button. Here you need to click purchase for myself, select the payment option, and click the continue button. Once you will finalize the payment, then you can check the game into your library, and once you will find it, then you can click on it, and here will be the blue install button, guys. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like button. See you in the next video.